Hey, so in today's video, we're going to cover the best wireless microphone in 2025. So today we have the Saramonic USB or Bluetooth microphone. So you can pick this up. I personally got this from Best Buy. I think it was like $130. Has multiple attachments and different cool features. So we're going to open this box up and then we'll go over the specs. And at the end, I will hook up the mic, get it all set up, and give you guys a sound test. So let's get right into it. So it looks like we got a carrying case here, nice and branded. Just some paperwork, information, and warranty. So inside this carrying case, you have all of your connectors, your charging cable, USB-C here, and then different microphone attachments as well. Then you have the actual microphone itself. So there's nothing else in there. Set that aside. So this is what it looks like. Got a charging plug-in on the back there. And here we have it. So you have the different attachments here, iPhone and USB-C. And then you actually have two individual microphones here for two different people. So you have your plugins. Hold the power button there. It's got a nice LCD display on there, as well as a clip. So here's a closer look at one of the microphones here. They do come with these little filters. They just clip right in, and then it sits in the case, or you can directly charge it via USB-C. The cool thing about this microphone is that charging case that I showed you guys in the beginning actually charges independently, and then if you were on the go, you can put these mics in there and it will charge them, so you don't need to plug into anything like that. So like I said, there is two microphones that come with you, so you and your buddy, you can connect them to cameras, your phone, your PC, a lot of different things. They do just have a clip on like this, so if you wanted to do vlog style videos or stuff like that, you can do that. So these things do have noise cancellation, and the battery will last for about 16 hours, I think it said, and many different outputs and things except these microphones. So I will quickly show you how to use this on a phone. So I have a iPhone 15. So you on the bottom there's a plastic piece that you'll remove, and then you'll take whatever the adapter, either USB-C or the iPhone plug-in, and they slide in like so. And then you'll take your phone, plug it right in like so, and then you'll power it on, and then you'll have your microphone turned on, and it will be transmitting to your receiver. So I have this thing all hooked up to my PC now, and here's a sound test for you. I would go outside, but to do a more realistic sound test, but it is currently raining, and let's not ruin a brand new mic. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys have a great day.